Jotun hambai klumkha itu cini media friend dong kini kaisa kok kucarmang sing bises ke masaka sing joto saimano cini tunai taku cini guru podobai Rajiv Devarma boro Assam bari Bidya Bilni boro rok ekdom bodar batu khajak ang bonro thangka ini belai kene kepal hambiah mano boro bina dusui perkuno samang hambiah klaima geri piaba boro bodar andar kandar tongo tewe sing kangge saimaka boro ni kheto takun boro kheto ayeng fencing paro Indian niklai abo kintu fencing paro boro maje maje aro ফসল ফলাইলেও খেত ফলাইলেও হাগে প্রায় আমাকে থাঙ্গই দংমানি কিন্তু আ সময় হঠাৎ খাইয়ে বরং বাংলাদেশনি বিডিআর বড় দং ফাইকা কিন্তু जों সাইমাকা বরং খানে কোনো প্রুফ করি বরং সাম হামে খাইমানি আবা কোনো বরং প্রুফ করি আফানো বরংনি দুসংকাই বরং বর্ডার ক্রস খাইমানি আবো ini কোনো বরংনি বিজা না দাগিয়া আবার সত্যি বরংনি sayangka piaba sing khanaka abo haike thangphano 3 mas bisingo boro yogu abo ka aini mote sing khanamani aini mote 3 mas kana boro yogu piaba borno ke bochanai krikha boro 11 mas makate 11 month abo belai khano kapal handiangka piaba sing onek chesta khaibani bisingo nero saima khana ani department hoite angni je 3-4 bar chiti suikha ani orodot document tongo chini High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh Bikram Derai Someno ang 2 bar chiti suikha tamong keba ang bisi interest nama hangkai abo ale elaka ni borok layo Assam boreni 26 number constitution ni layo ang borong chinibo te borong poribar kabang mane ro phaikha abo yang belai khana khanangka bono 2-3 bar ang chiti suikha chini High Commissioner no abro bisingo ang balai hambai maranai khorcha ani bondhu chini Jera Foundation ni secretary Musahib Ali bo ang bai tabu tongo bo balai khana saktar ka bon bising tui sing omono sing samang khlaima ka chini Jera Foundation ni secretary Musahib Ali bo 2-3 bar thangka Bangladesh thangai baro ukilo brongkha chini advocate Komalendo Das aro Modi Wadani bo chini ukil sing bona boromkha tai arone bisai chini MP Dr. Abdus Sahib Moli Wadani MP bono sing boni sajo sing mankha angni jo onek ba kok saka tai chini Musahib Ali bo thangai malaikha tai aron DC Nahib Asant Nahib Assam DC Molibi Bazar boy basing onek kok salaikha goborno bising tui borno sing phiaw makha tabok sing pron makha borok phaisinai puila waisa phailen kok tongmani 3 tarik Oktober kintu afra bahaino sing tomalia abo chini Home Minister hoite clearance maya chini Minister of Home Affairs o Delhi ni are permission nango ahage abo borok phaimalia kita bakal sing clearing ka sing Home Minister hoite permission maka sing chithi maka Home Minister hoite te Bangladesh ni hoite sing chithi maka haine 12 tarik December abo confirm maka khana boro phaisinai thik boro 10 ta sombar sarunai ngai boro sing 12 ta somoyo chikon char function khaiye sing Koila Sohora sing boro welcome khainai abang sing tabu ready tongo ang joto DM no sahauka Koila Sohor DM te khwani DM boro khuna so khai tongo help khai tongo khana thik 12 somoyo Koila Sohor sing thangai boro sing Rajiv Bhai Guru Bodor sing toi hinai orbi sanaklayo sing bises bag angtini hambai maro chini ani bondhu khoroksa Jera Foundation ni Musahib Ali bo onek chesta khlaikha angmona belai hambai maro nai boni bising tui sing hai chini kam success sangka hai hangkai teibo binman man khamo sing saimana Bangladesh chini ke bukuri aro borna ain kanon alada bor Indian ain bebro cholaiya bor nijini bor ain aro niyam kanon dong amangai sing bono tikhona belai dekha abangai ang jottono koinai जों गोबां media जों नुखा गोबां आलादा आलादा कक सालायो फियाबा आसल जों कक नमा सालायनाय बिसेसके आं दिनै मौलवीबाजार MP दिनै आब्दुल साहिब bo doctor bo tibara bo faijak bo bangla kok salaikya bo to bele help rakya bunbang I really appreciate and give my regard to our MP Dr. Abdul Sahib MP Molo have done a lot of performance regarding these issues. And also I congratulate and I really thanks from my bottom of my heart Advocate Komalendu Das Maulibajar. He also helped us for their release. Therefore, I, on behalf of Tripura government and on behalf of myself and on behalf of the Jara Foundation, Musahib Ali, we give our best regard and thanks for their active participation and contribution and helping hand for releasing our two Indian national, Rajiv Devarma and also Gurupuru Devarma. They are very innocent. They have detained around 11 months in Maulibajar jail. But fortunately, this is already clear. Coming on 12 December, they will be released and there will be repatriation will take place. And I myself, with our whole team, will go and visit, will receive him and in Kolashahar. And also I give thanks to the DM Kolashahar, UK Chakma. He also worked very hard for these issues. And also DM OS. Both of these DM OS and Kolashahar DM are really contributing their performance. So I give my heartiest thanks and regard to them. Boniba ang blai ke hambai maronai teibo chini kabang ma chini oroni ni NGO rok kabang ma chini borok bhaino borok bang surika tei borok bang samkhaika ang saisungya se kabang ma chini Tripura saro bhaino jotona khanangjak dokonangjak tamungkhai जों साइमा राजीव बाई गुरुपद borok kuno samung hamya khlaima kwrwi borok kuno criminal activities boniyaw kwrwi borok suja borok kaham tamungkheba waisau borok bodar tongmaba borok waisau fencing parai thango abang borok dos fiaba obo sababi kom hayango sudo borok chimiya je borok border kinara tongai rok borok thang phainglai tonglai fiaba adro borok kapal hamya borno arang bidia rok borok romtang thangka borok bagai जों kapal hamno mano chini chesta bai te chini ani borno mano chesta bai te jang hambai maronai chini Bangladesh High Commissioner India ni Bikram Doraiswamy boga personally ang kau salaikha tebonang chithi busuikha bo bhaino boni contribution butongo bonama I really give heartiest congratulations and thanks to our respected Bikram Doraiswamy for his contribution and for his performance. Thank you very much.